Thank you, sir.
நான் மேலே தூக்கிறேன் ஃபேன் இருக்குது ஃபேன் இது உஷாரா இருங்க மேலே மைக் நான் தள்ளாதுண்ணா தள்ளாதீங்க ப்ளீஸ் இங்க பாரு முன்னாடி தூக்காதீங்க
In Tamil Nadu, there's, I don't think they'll even come to the second place. I think the fight is clearly between DMK and ADMK. BJP doesn't find any space here.
Ma'am, what about Thoothukudi?
BJP is not even contesting in Thoothukudi.
No, but how do you see the contest? Last time you won by a landslide margin. This time around, are you confident as well?
That I think the votes have to be counted.
And overall, for the INDIA alliance, what's the number that you're looking at in Tamil Nadu?
39 in Tamil Nadu, +1 in Pondicherry.
You're going to Thoothukudi?
Yes. If you let me go, I won't miss my flight.
முன்னாடி தூக்காதீங்க உங்களுக்கு எப்படி